There's some breaking news coming in. Actor and singer Diljit Dosanjh, who actually got into a Twitter spat with Kangana Ranaut a couple of days ago over the farmers issue, has now reached the protest site as well to meet the farmers, and in fact he's announced his monetary support as well to the farmers there. Let's go across to Bhavtosh, who's joining us live. Bhavtosh, so this is one Punjabi actor and singer who's decided to not leave it just to social media and actually step out there and express his support.
Well, he's a famous Punjabi actor and also virtually a brand ambassador of farmers as far as the protest is concerned on social media. And for the first time, a Bollywood actor and celebrity arrived here. He was on the stage for nearly 25-30 minutes. He spoke to the farmers. He said that government should immediately take back these farm laws because they are detrimental to farmers. He also said that government as well as media should not politicize this entire matter. After giving his brief speech, Diljit Dosanjh then sat among the farmers, heard few farmers, and then left. Now, Diljit Dosanjh did not speak to the media, but in just few days back, he had a verbal spat on Twitter with Kangana Ranaut, and he blamed her of politicizing this entire issue. Diljit said that he is with the farmers and he gives them unequivocal support to them. He further said that government should immediately listen to the farmers and take back these farm laws, even if it requires special session of the parliament.
Bhavtosh, so he came and made his mark and made his presence felt and left, but there's a lot of noise in the background. I can hear some music. What's the general sentiment there as the farmer unions and the group leaders hash it out with the government? What's happening at the protest site?
Well, as far as the protest site is concerned, several speakers have come and addressed the farmers. Some of them are academicians, some are local leaders. They continue to maintain that they will listen to their representatives who are there at Vigyan Bhavan. The representative, when they spoke to us, said that nothing less than special session of parliament and withdrawal of these laws will satisfy them. They have said that if the government is willing to make so many amendments in the farm bill, then there's something wrong in it. And why have this farm law when they are bringing so many amendments? Now they are waiting for their representatives to come back. The leaders have already said that on Sunday morning they will meet and discuss whatever the government has said. But it appears that they have taken a very rigid stand, and they are very adamant with one thing, that the government should withdraw these farm laws because they have said that they are anti-farmers. And the next course of action will depend as to what will happen in the meeting today. They have also said that if the government does not act fast, then they will block the two roads of Delhi, which are the entry points, one from Faridabad and another one from Gurgaon, and they will also go ahead with the proposed Bharat Bandh on 8th of December.
All right, Bhavtosh, thanks so much for joining us and bringing us that update. The visuals on your screens actually also show actor and singer Diljit Dosanjh, who stood up for the farmers on social media a couple of days ago, now visible there on ground as well. Let's move on and take a look at some of the other stories from across the country.